Final leg of the AT, 20 miles over McAfee's Knob. See, I got Larry over my shoulder. Today when I got up it was 32 degrees and I had to scrape the ice off my windshield, which is appropriate that we started this thing in the snow and ice, and technically we finished it. Although it's supposed to be sunny and 60 and a beautiful day. Went up the trail here to McAfee's Knob. Pretty trail. Very well maintained. Certainly not the highest place on the AT, but one of the prettier views. There it is, the iconic picture. Here comes Jaime and Heather.
Hey.
Well, you made it. Are you recording?
Yep.
Okay, commentate.
Here's George Wortley up on diving off McAfee Knob. Very gorgeous day on the Appalachian Trial.
Okay, Jaime and Heather. They've made it to the top. A beautiful view. Okay. There's Larry, made it to the top.
Almost done.
Carbon's Cove, water supply for city of Roanoke. Also a pretty lunch spot. Getting out the topo.
Looks like you're running.
Let's see if they'll take the right fork in the trail. You can hold that rock up if you want.
There's a white blaze up there.
They got the line.
Oh, right. I think it's that way.
What do you think?
Oh. Yeah, looks like the blaze goes that way.
Good thing I'm here, huh?
Everyone, go under quick.
Good thing I'm here. Yeah, it's safe.
Hold that up there.
Trust me.
Another real pretty section here along Tinker Cliffs. This is really pretty. Trail goes along these cliffs. Henceforth the name Tinker Cliffs. And then heads down into the woods. Here we are at Scorched Earth Gap. 10 miles down, right about 10 miles to go to get back to the car. Okay, we're here at the post-run party. We got Larry. We got David Horton.
Congratulations, George Wortley.
Greg Turner.
Yes,
Chris
congratulations.
It just keeps going on now. He keeps testing this stuff. And his tongue,
Larry. Greg Turner's wife, Jeannie.
his tongue
And
is
Harry.
burning off. His stomach
And the other
is
12 people
burning.
that tell me they were coming didn't show, but they missed the sweet potato fries, and pretty soon they'll miss the blackberry.